Damn.
Huh?
She's in the back of my head.
Ooh, excuse me.
Oh, good. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, praise God.
What's up, YouTube? It's TheAunnaJ, and I am back with another banger. In today's video, we're going to be sneezing on people and getting their reaction. So before we get into this video, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment. Let's get this video to 100 likes and 50 comments, and we dropping another banger. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. We finna get straight into it. Let's go.
Want to give me a bag? Ooh.
My bad. Did I get you? My bad. Here you go. You can get some of that. Here you go. You're welcome. No, I'm just playing. It was a video.
Oh.
Damn.
Huh?
She's in the back of my head.
Huh?
Did you sneeze?
Yeah, I just sneezed. Did it get on you?
It came all over me.
Oh, I'm sorry. You need a napkin or something?
Okay, hold on.
All right, thank you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me.
Oh, good. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, praise God.
Yeah, praise God. You okay?
Oh yeah, I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Praise God. Oh my goodness. Okay, be blessed.
We bless you. Okay, and that is gonna wrap this video up. I know today's video was a little shorter than expected, but everybody was just on the move today, and then people on campus was being lame. That's why we switched the scenery to the grocery stores and all the other stores, because I don't got time for nobody's thing attitudes. But if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button and drop a comment if you want part 2. And this time I know how to do it, so it's gonna be way longer, way better planned out, all that. So thank y'all so much for staying and watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.